everyone, welcome back to Wizartist. Today, I will teach you how you can create your own custom theme and apply it to Chrome. Before we start creating our own theme, let's understand what is a Chrome theme. Simply, a Chrome theme is the color combination shown in the tabs, current tab, background color, text, etc. So simply, we can say that theme is the color combinations shown in the overall browser. Now let's learn to create our own theme. For creating our own theme for Google Chrome, I'm going to use Theme Beta. This is an application available on Google Chrome through which you can create your own theme. You can install it through the web store, but I will be sure to share the link below in the description for this Theme Beta application. Now let's start making our own custom theme. If you see, this page has two parts. The first is the Google screen wherein you see the theme that you are making and its application, like which color you're putting where, and the second is the tool place wherein you can put the desired colors. Here you can see that there are 4 tabs in the Tools tab: Basic, Images, Colors and Back. In this video, I'm just going to tell you about Basic, Images and Color and not about the Back because that will not be needed. So if we come over here to the Images tab, you will be able to see NTP background, frame and other things. Whenever you hover over this, a particular region in this side part is turned red. This means when you choose a color from here, the red portion which has been selected, the color of that area will change. So if I select the color, suppose I'll change it to bright blue. From this color picker, when I choose, so the area that was red, that color will be changed. Here frame is the back place, the toolbar is the current tab, the search engine part and the bookmark bar. Tab background means the background tabs. Frame overlay and NTP attribution is something that is not always seen, so I'll let it stay the same as it is an image. You'll have to choose an image for that. There is no color option, but I'm not going to do that. So you can select any color which you want for these others. So I'm going to just randomly choose any color. Now we are going to go to the next tab, which is the Colors tab. Here there are more options like toolbar, which is the thing that is visible below whenever we hover over a link or a linked page. So like if I hover over this Theme Beta, you can see below that this https:/something something is shown. That particular box is known as the toolbar. So I can choose the color for that, whatever I want it to be. The tab text is the text that is seen in the tab. So I'll choose it to be black, as text is simply best seen in black. I'm going to do that for other tabs as well. Bookmark text is the text that is seen in the bookmark bar. NTP text and NTP links are the links that are seen when you open a particular page. I'm going to let the NTP text be black and the NTP link be bright blue. The control buttons are the close, minimize and maximize buttons that are visible at the top right corner. I'm going to let it be the white color. Now the buttons are the different buttons like the back, this, previous, ahead and reload, home. These all are the buttons. So I'm going to make it black. So this is it. If you want, you can do other customizations from this images and colors only. You can choose image for background, frame and toolbar as well by clicking on this choose image button. Once you have made your custom theme, we'll have to save it online. But you will not be able to save it online until and unless you sign in. So from this above icon, which will be a sign in icon, you can sign in. But I have already signed in, so I'm going to click on save online. Once you click on save online, this pop-up will be appeared. Here you have to enter the theme name and other details. So the theme name I'll put as Blue Dip. You can put anything. Then you can choose the visibility option. Should it be public or private? I'm going to choose private. Then the category. Now this is optional. It is not important. But if you're doing public, then it is important to choose an appropriate one that is similar to this. Similar to your theme name or whatever your theme is. Now the tags is optional, but it is preferred to be put in if you're doing it public, as whatever the people will search, and if it is in the tags, your theme will be shown. But as it is private, I'm not going to put anything. Description is also optional in both the cases. But I'm going to put it as it makes you understand more. I'm going to write a bright blue theme. Okay. Now I'm going to click on save. So it saves, and then it will open a new page wherein you will see this theme, the name over here, like apply theme and other things. But as you have done it private, you will not be able to see the likes and other things, and the apply theme will be only the number of times you are applying the theme. Once you click on apply theme, it will ask you to save it. Okay, so it will be saved to your personal computer. The format of the file will be .crx. So we are going to save it at the desired place. Now how can we apply it? For application of this theme, you'll have to go to the Chrome extensions. I'll be sharing the link in the description so you can check below. Now here, you'll have to switch on the developer mode. Then you have to click on load unpacked. From here, you'll be selecting this .crx file, but it should not be in the .crx format. It should be in a folder format. So before we publish it, means before we apply it, we are going to go to the CRX viewer. So this is a viewer, but basically it will be converting your .crx file into a zip file. So I'm going to choose this file. And then I'll click on this download link. So I click on the download link. It will ask me to download a .zip file. So I'm going to save it at the desired place. Now I'm going to open this zip file. From here I'm going to extract the files. Once it is extracted into a folder, I am going to go back to the Chrome extensions. I am going to switch on the developer mode, which will be shown at the right top corner. Then I am going to click on load unpacked. Here I will select the blue dip folder. Once I select the folder, wow, you can see that it has been installed. All the colors that I had chosen are being shown. Alright, but if you don't like it and you want to make some changes, you can undo it. Alright, so this is how you can put your own theme, and it was very easy. So let me repeat the steps, a quick review. I use themebeta.com to make my own theme. Then I saved it online. Then I clicked on apply theme, and then it made me download a .crx file. After that, I went to the CRX viewer, which is basically a CRX to zip converter. Then I dropped my .crx file, wherein it converted it into a .zip folder and asked me to download it. Once I downloaded it, I extracted it, and then I selected that extracted folder through the extensions when I switched on the developer mode, and then clicked on load unpacked. Then I selected the extracted folder, and then voila, my theme was applied. So this is how you can put your custom desired theme. Hope this helped you. If it did, don't forget to give thumbs up, share it with your friends, and click on the that red subscribe button. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to help you. Thank you. Hope it helped you. Bye bye.